Hello, welcome to Papa's Honey Acres. I'm Bill and I'm here in the honey house. Today I'm going to be trying something different. I've got the Hillco 7-gallon bottling tank, and I've also have the Hillco speed filler, and I'm going to try to tie this in a way that I can either bottle through the fill valve off of this or with the speed filler. I love it. Used it to get a bunch of honey set up for some customers, and highly recommend it. If you've never dealt with Hillco, they're a great company, stand behind everything, work to get you everything out quickly, and I love dealing with them. So right now what I'm doing is I'm going to be putting on a 3-way shut-off valve, and with this I'll be able to either fill with the filler here or fill by using the speed fill. If I can do this, I'll be happy without dropping anything. So I've already put the 3-way ball valve on here, and now I'm trying to get the attached to the tank here. I'm going to have this supported below to where the weight isn't all right off of this fitting, off the speed fill, or off of the bottle filler here. And then I use a rubber handle just to tighten these clamps up to where nothing leaks on them. I filled this bottling tank up. John recommends either using vegetable oil, spring water, or mineral oil, and I filled it up with mineral oil. I want this to last forever, and so I want to try my best to have that happen. So with that there, I can get this set back. Where I can fill again from here or from the speed fill. I'll give you a look at the front of this here. So this is what we got here, and so I'm going to be attempting to get that 3-way hooked up to where we can go either or on that. So what I've got here, if I can find it. It is a stainless steel barb to the flange fitting here. So we'll use this up here, and then we'll put a T down here, tie all this together. And I'm just going to double check and make sure that this does fit the hose that I've got here with this, that's supplied with the unit. This is what we got here. This is the hose that comes with it. it looks like we've got a good fit there. So I've got to go grab my scissor cutters, and we'll start assembling this, and hopefully we'll start making a little bit of sense when I get a little bit further along here. Okay, so we got to start out here with a short piece to get us from here to our bottling tank. It's right here. These hoses have a like a stainless steel spring or something in them, so I'm hoping I can get this cut. Alright, everything with the spring, which I use my side cutters for that. Get that done. And I don't know, maybe a sharp knife would work as well as that PVC cutter there. Got the hose clamps here, hopefully supposed to be 1.5 to 3/4. Hopefully these will be large enough to do this. Okay, so we get our key here. I think if I was to do this again, I'd get a little bit, I'd probably get 1.75" stainless steel clamp instead of up to 1.5". Probably fit on there a little easier. Maybe a lot easier. This will fit onto here. Like so. Then we're going to go to the clamp. On here. This one will go from here. Here. Try to cut this one a little different. So like so. Makes a little bit better end on it that way. These are 1.5" by 1.25" barb on these fittings. This is 1.5" ball valve 3-way. Got these all from Amazon. These 1.5" clamps are working. They're catching just fine and tightening up fine. So these also I got off of Amazon. Everything's basically Amazon except for the Hillco stuff. Yeah, another clamp on there. This is called a tri-clamp system. These are 1.5-inch tri-clamps. And I went stainless steel on everything just for sanitary purposes. May have to do some clamping or something to get this to stay in the position I want it to be in, but for now, this should work out just fine. So I can have my back view there. Okay, and on the third one, or the second tank, I'm going to be pouring with two. I eventually want to get another Hillco heated bottling tank, but for now, I'm going to just use this bottling bucket. And I have on this one Hillco's own plunger type fill for it. On these three-way ball valves, I don't know how well this will show up, but in this position, this is filling this direction, and as I turn it to this position, it fills straight through. So we'll get this, we've got our gasket on here already, and a little bit of honey in this clamp, so I'll get that cleaned out of there. And you want to make sure these are designed so that, I wonder if I got that other one under the right way or not. Stand. And that's there, okay. tighten up. Grab another tri-clamp. End gasket. Bucket has honey in it, so I'm trying to keep it balanced out of here so it doesn't leak out on me while I'm setting everything up here. Like so. Then we need another, oh, that's one thing I do not have at this time, is I don't have the other tri-clamp barbed adapter to finish this up, so I'll have to finish that side up a little later, but I can get up to that point. This end will go onto our key, and wind up in the bottom of our other three-way ball valve. gonna be a booger for me to get tightened onto there. Get 1 3/4 clamps if you ever try something like this. It'll make your life much easier. So everything here is 304 stainless steel, food grade. You can do this on a budget by using PVC instead of these stainless steel ball valves. But I'm looking to do this once and hoping it lasts a very long time. So that's the setup. So basically, if I wanted to draw from this tank, all I have to do with that hooked up to the bottom of there would be to open this valve to where the flow right now it's going into my fill here. That would change it to go down into the fill here. Probably, even though this is gravity feeding it, I may still have to either leave this fitting off or leave this off until the tube gets some honey in it. But I shouldn't have to pre-fill this in the top of the tube. Can you see what I'm talking about there? Okay. So all I have to do to fill with my speed filler, I move that out of the way, get this all set up. I would move this valve into the horizontal position here, which would allow the honey to come down into here. It would fill into here, and once I had some honey in this secondary tube that goes up to the fill nozzle, once I have honey into here, I can go ahead and bleed the air out of that and start filling bottles up. To clean it, I basically shut this valve back into the position of filling from here. I would disconnect the tri-clamp off of the bottom of that three-way ball valve and put it in a bucket, and then I could hit clear on the speed fill until the honey is out of there. Once I get that out of there, I can put that into a bucket of warm water and rinse that, install it back up, rinse through this one here, and basically I'd probably pull the whole thing off afterwards, wash it out, but rinse the machine itself. So that's it for now. Hopefully I can show you this in use once I get the other fitting. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, reply, let me know what you like about it or what you think needs to be done differently. I'm always open to suggestions. And anyway, hope you're doing well with your bees this year, and that your harvest is just about done. You're getting ready for winter, because it's August the 14th, and so we got to start thinking about getting our bees ready for winter, get them heavy, and get that brood nest taken care of, and mites. Make sure you take care of mites. That's the #1 killer of our bees. All right, see ya.